Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a huge clean, organize, and declutter with me. I really needed to spend today cleaning, like doing a really big deep clean, and there's a couple different places in the house that I want to organize, so I thought I might as well film it. I know the majority of this video is going to be kind of like a big time lapse, but I always love watching these and they really get me motivated, so I thought I might as well. As you can see behind me, our bedroom and pretty much the whole house is kind of like a wreck right now. Just the past couple days we've just been throwing stuff everywhere because I knew I was going to take today to kind of just clean and pick up everything. It's just been a crazy week for us. John's been working till like 9 p.m. every night, and I just had a really busy week at work as well. So we kind of just have been throwing stuff around, not really cleaning up every day. So this is real. This is everything that's kind of misplaced in the house, and I'm gonna go through and do a really big deep clean, and like I said, kind of break it up with different places I've been wanting to organize. Specifically, I want to do under our bathroom sink. We bought like containers and organizational drawers from Target, and I want to kind of take all my skincare and bathroom stuff and put it in these drawers, as well as our linen closet for the laundry. There's a couple things I've got that I kind of want to put in there. I got like decanter. They're actually like beverage dispensers, I think, but I always see people put their detergent in there. So I got that. I kind of want to put that together in just a few different places between the upstairs, the downstairs, kitchen, living room, bedroom. John went golfing all day today, so I think he's actually about to be on his way back, but I figured I would take the time to kind of get started cleaning. And it just got really dark and cloudy. I think it's gonna rain, so sorry that it's probably pretty dark in this video. But yeah, I just made myself an iced coffee and I'm ready to get started on all things cleaning. First thing, I definitely want to throw in some laundry because we have all of our clothes we need to wash, and I'm gonna wash our bedding. And we actually have bedding that we're gonna put on our bed in the guest room that we just put together. So I'm gonna try and get everything washed. There's gonna be a lot of loads. I probably should have started earlier, but kind of had a lazy morning. With all that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So now that I got some laundry in, I think I'm actually gonna start in the kitchen. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere. It literally never looks like this, but we just went to the mall yesterday and Trader Joe's the day before, so I kind of just threw a lot of stuff right here so I could really organize it today. Air fryer's still out because we made dinner with it the other night. So yeah, just a lot of stuff that needs to be put away, and of course I want to actually deep clean and wipe stuff down. I'm thinking I want to do the fridge as well because again, just been throwing stuff, not really organizing. Just kind of waiting to do that now. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it, and then kind of just need to tidy up the living room. There's not too much going on in here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and light a candle just because I have a ton of these like Bath & Body Works candles that I kind of want to just get rid of. So this is Eucalyptus Mint, a classic. I might need to charge this, but yeah, I'm telling myself I kind of want to get rid of Bath & Body Works, try and get stuff that's a little more natural, but I still need to use these up. So just gonna have this burning here on the table while I do everything else. So I'm back upstairs. I did a lot of stuff in the kitchen, and I'm about to have to switch the laundry. So this is the current state of our dresser. Like I said, we went to the mall yesterday, so I have to put the stuff away in my drawers. This is the sad image of my broken tissue box holder that I was obsessed with because I fought a lizard with my bare hands yesterday, or 2 days ago. And this was the result. I don't think I need to explain further. So I'm hoping John can glue this back because I really love it. And it's just kind of like stone, so it should fit together. But I'm gonna have to put that somewhere for now. I just brought this upstairs when I organized the linen closet. I think I'm gonna go ahead and light this candle up here too. And yeah, my computer and just different things that I have to put away. these are the like acrylic organizers I got for underneath our sink. There's 4 drawers. So there's like a deeper one and then some smaller ones as it goes up. So we got 2 of them. They're the Bright Room 4-drawer organizer from Target, and I think they were $20 each. So I went ahead and got 2, and then I figured later if we need more I can pick them up. But yeah, I want to go ahead and put a lot of our under the sink stuff in this, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is what underneath my sink looks like. So as you can see, I kind of have things in containers, but there's no like stackable storage. It's all just like flat. So I'm hoping I can kind of reorganize. And John's side kind of just has like everything extra. Granted, we just started somewhat trying to organize this like when we got married. So everything's been kind of a mess. We also have like the cleaning stuff back there. I'm definitely gonna prioritize my side and then see what we can do over here. So here is the finished product of the organization I did with the drawers. I think it looks so much better and I can reach everything. I can get to everything really easily. I actually was able to kind of keep my hair stuff already how it was, which is fine. This works for now. I actually didn't even get to like the other side of the cabinets, so this is all I kind of did. So it's way later now. I really haven't gotten done nearly as much as I wanted to, but it's okay. We ended up going to dinner and we went to Target to grab some groceries and things that we needed, so I still haven't gone down to the kitchen to kind of do anything there, but I did switch and put away some laundry, and I think the last thing I showed was the under the sink cabinet. So I haven't done a lot of actual like cleaning that I know I need to do, but we might just get some of that done tomorrow. I'm still gonna try and do some. It's literally almost midnight, but sometimes that's when I get the most energy. So I think next I want to actually try and organize the linen closet and kind of do the dispensers for the detergent. I want to go ahead and get that set up. So I just finished with all the laundry stuff. I think it looks really good. This is the closet. And yeah, as you can see, I put our detergents in the little canisters. I'm hoping they don't leak. They're actually from Five Below. I was like shocked. I think I saw a TikTok of a girl saying she got these from Five Below, so I went and looked and they had them. So I was like, let me try. I just had to like screw this part in. Yeah, and I'm hoping they don't leak. Then I just have like our linen spray here, which I also spray our dryer balls with. And here is the organization of the closet. Looks so much better. Obviously like all white, but I love the look of it. And I switched out these little like baskets. I had different ones from my mom that she didn't want anymore, but I always knew I wanted to switch them out for something a little more neutral. And these are actually from the Dollar Tree. They always have these bins. They're like fabric, but they're still pretty sturdy, so literally can't beat that. And they're a perfect neutral color. I might get like actual wicker baskets or something at some point, but this works for now. Over here we keep like all of our sunscreen, tanning stuff that goes up there, with also like cosmetic bags. And on the right, I put extra detergent we had, our iron fit in there, and our dryer balls. I might find like a smaller basket to put the dryer balls with the washer dryer, obviously, because that makes sense. And then here we have bath towels and hand towels, our old bath towels. So these were just like IKEA towels. And these are our nicer towels that we got off our registry. Back there we have washcloths in one of these little baskets. That's just an extra colored hand towel, and my hair towel. And down here I put our beach towels, which are actually just bath sheets. I think they're the Threshold brand from Target. Yeah, but I couldn't find like bath towels that were like neutral, and I don't know, I feel like they're always like colorful, so I really wanted some that were like resort like really nice. So we just got big bath sheets that kind of look like beach towels, and this is the actual beach towel. I stuck like our extra toilet paper in one of those baskets, and then there's also some down in that one, and then at the bottom I just have a little glass thing holding bath sponges and a loofah in that one. So yeah, still thinking I might want to put some different stuff in here at some point, depending on how I organize the guest bathroom. I might like to move some stuff around, but I definitely like how this looks, and I think it'll be nice having detergent just like easily like that. I don't have to take it on the bin every time. So like I said, this definitely turned into much more of like an organizing video rather than cleaning, but I am going to do a quick wipe down of everything in the bathroom. We just made the bed, and John makes a first appearance at the very end of the video, but got the bed all made. It's gonna be great to have fresh, clean sheets. Like I said, I kind of wiped down stuff in the bathroom, but we'll get everything else actually clean tomorrow. Okay. Oh my god. But yeah, I thought I was going to clean a lot more downstairs and in the kitchen and do the fridge and stuff, but I got started way too late, so didn't get a lot done that I wanted to get done. But I think I still did a good amount. So that is the end of this big cleaning montage. I hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching.